the Larte performance body kit for BMW X5M competition, you will need the standard tools kit, adhesive sealant and a masking tape. Hood noise protection and windshield washer nozzles as well as factory fasteners are replaced from the original hood. The design of the hood completely repeats the original one. All the fasteners are also retained. All the fittings from the stock hood are repositioned to the Larte hood. The original hood is dismantled and a new hood is put on its place. The position of the hood should be adjusted. The grille trim is dismounted as a whole unit and then the grille frame is pulled off. Sealant is applied to the tuning part all along the surfaces, on the bottom part by zigzagging, on the upper part by dotting. Then the grille is installed in the same order when dismantling. The front view camera is plugged in the grille trim and then together the part is mounted on the car instead of the original one by snapping it into the place of factory fastenings. After installation, the part is additionally fixed with masking tape. Before installing the lower spoiler, markings are made with masking tape. The place of installation and the part is decreased. Sealant is applied dot by dot every 2 cm. The spoiler is placed in the designated positions and pressed firmly to the surface, then additionally secured with masking tape. For the upper spoiler, also when fitting, markings are made with a masking tape. The part and the surface are degreased. Sealant is applied to the center and side plates all around the perimeter. After installation, the part is secured with the tape until the adhesive dries. The front fender inserts are installed in place of the dismantled original part using sealant. The inserts in the front bumper are installed in the original mounting positions. The factory part is dismantled beforehand. The parking sensors are repositioned into the Larte part. After the parking sensors are connected, the part is snapped into the regular clips. The front bumper cover is installed instead of the stock one on the existing fasteners and is fixed by means of the original bolts along the underside. Covers must be unscrewed. The splitter is degreased in the areas where the sealant is applied to the sides and center plate. The center part is additionally secured to the self-taping screw that comes with the kit. For installing the seals, degrease the part and the surface of the vehicle along the entire length from wheel to wheel. Sealant is applied dot by dot all around the perimeter of the part. After installation, it is additionally secured tightly with a masking tape. To install the diffuser does not require the dismantling of the bumper. Only the original diffuser and exhaust tips are detached. Parking sensors are disassembled and attached to the Larte diffuser. To connect the brake lights, remove the rear left light. Pulling the wires out and connect to the original wiring. Red plus to the original green with the blue stripe and black minus to the brown wire. The Larte diffuser is installed on the original mounting locations. Parking sensors are connected at the time of installation. Additionally, it is fixed by bolts on the bottom. Check for proper connection. Install the plug for the trailer hook. Before installing the rear bumper ailerons, unscrew the 3 standard self-taping screws. Wipe the surface and the part with degreaser and apply sealant to the bottom plate and the band of the part. Press the part against the bumper and screw the self-taping screws back on. Before installing the muffler tips, dismantle the stock exhaust pipes, then pull the clamps of the Larte muffler tips and attach them to the pipe. Then place the muffler tip over the pipe and tighten the clamps that will lock the muffler to the original pipe.